Hey everybody, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at the newer Kel-Tec PR3AT. You remember the Kel-Tec P3AT? It was small, lightweight, pocket carry gun. They changed it around. They made this very different in many ways. We're going to talk about it, so let's do this. The Kel-Tec PR3AT is a 380 ACP handgun, and what makes this different, one of the many things that makes it different, is that it has lugs on the barrel. See that? It has a 2.86 inch barrel, just shy of 3 inches. It is a fluted barrel, okay, straight lines there, but also it rotates. It has a slight rotation when firing. The idea there is to decrease the recoil. And perhaps it does. You know, when I shot it, I can't say I noticed a lot, but it is very different. And also, it has two guide rods right there. Two of them. Okay, maybe you can see it there. But it also has a fixed magazine. It does not have a detachable magazine at all. And so the feeding system is very different. So let's talk about that. It ships with two stripper clips. You load the rounds into stripper clips. Each of these will hold 7 rounds. This is a 13+1. Okay, that explains the size of the stripper clips. And when you load it, 7 will fit in there just fine. It doesn't wiggle around, so you could most likely throw it in your pocket and they should stay put. But this ledge here, you put underneath, you take this lever and push them down into the fixed magazine. And you do that twice for 14 rounds. So it's a 13+1 capacity and a fixed mag. The trigger pull, which it is a hammer-fired gun, Kel-Tec says 4.5 pounds. I am measuring it closer to 5.3 pounds. 5 pounds 3 ounces. It has 2 clicks, the second click, so it's a double action only trigger pull. It has 3 dot sights, and this one is not optics ready. You may have seen some that are optics ready. They call that the Defender series. This has an MSRP of $399, okay, much less than that at your Fin Feather for Outfitters. 13 rounds. Just going to mag dump this. These are the first shots. Let's see how it goes. Other people have had success with this. First shots. In my opinion, the downside is if you have a problem, ejection issue or a double feed, well, you got that fixed mag. You're going to have to deal with that. But if you don't have a problem and you learn to trust the gun, it will suit your needs. Pocket carry all day long. The loaded weight, and that's considering 13 rounds, not 14, is just shy of 14 ounces. 14.5 ounces. Closer to 14.5. So it is very light. Kel-Tec, I think that was their goal here, was to make it a pocket carry gun, make it small, lightweight, but yet increase the capacity. One thing that's different though is that it has these slide serrations that go throughout the entire slide, all around. And then in that case, you know, the press checks, yeah, you get some grip there, some texturing, little help, but not a ton. It does have a loaded chamber indicator right there. And, you know, those who pocket carry may find a winner here. Kel-Tec is very innovative. But it ships with this cardboard box. Not a lot to see here. It has a lock, the user's manual, warranty card, and 2 stripper clips. So you're looking at a small, lightweight, pocket-sized handgun that has a fixed magazine. When I took it to the range, every round fired and ejected. So you may say, well, that could give you a sense of reliability, and I agree with that point. However, I think I would need more rounds through it to really gain that confidence, just because it's different. It's nothing I experienced in a handgun. Stripper clips, nothing new with some rifles out there. Even some feeding systems use a stripper clip-like device. Not so much with handguns, but this one does. Now, if you don't like the stripper clips, you could always hand load right here. And I found myself doing that more often than using the stripper clips, because honestly, once you load up 7 of these and throw them in there, it feels like you're doing it twice. But this is what Kel-Tec is offering. It's called the PR-3AT. The PR stands for pistol rotating, and that has to do with that barrel slightly rotating. And the disassemble super cool. You just take this trigger, pull it forward, and off comes the slide from the frame. And then here we have a dual captive recoil spring. This piece here that has the rotation device, and then the barrel itself, which is very short. So there you have it, the Kel-Tec PR3AT. Once again, Dan here with Fit Feather for Outfitters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.